Okay, hi guys. Today, you see all these robins. These are American robins. This is an open field, and we are going to be playing some bird sounds and see how the robins react. And you see one right there. They're moving and everything. So let's see. Okay, so right now we are looking at which birds there is.
What birds do you hear?
And then right now, the birds we can hear are these birds. And if you can't read it, it says a house sparrow, a red-winged blackbird, an American goldfinch, and a house finch. And now the American goldfinch is going off the most, so I think we should play that. And then you're probably saying, oh, who's playing the sounds? It's my mother. You've seen her in the pizza video. Look at the robins. Well, there is just so much robins here, guys. Okay, play the goldfinch. Viewer discretion if you have headphones. Okay, guys, let's look in the air. Okay, guys, we are moving into the open field. We are moving into the open field, guys. I just want you to... I'm gonna stop moving. Look at this.
That's a red wing. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me call him. I can't remember what
he's calling one of them.
Let me hear
Now look at that fat boy. Look at him. Let me zoom in. Look at that fat boy.
Red-winged blackbird.
Okay, let me show you guys what the thing says. Let's see the fold. Okay, look what it says, guys. An American... Okay, a red-winged blackbird. That is what we are going to play. A red-winged blackbird.
A sparrow just landed. The little itty-bitty bird right there.
Okay, guys, look at that fat robin. And look at that sparrow.
Okay, I'm going to play the red-winged blackbird.
She's going to play the red-winged blackbird. And like I said, viewer discretion.
Okay,
if you had headphones on, turn them down. Look at that guy all alone. Let me find him.
Let's play the robin.
Yeah, now guys, we're gonna play the American robin. The American robin. Oh. The American robin. That's what we're gonna play next. Look at those guys. Look at him. Let me stop moving. Fatty. He just flew. Oh, guys. We just heard movement. I think it's coming from the tree right there. Look at that, dude. All alone. Sitting at a small throne. Oh, wow. He just landed out of nowhere. Okay, guys. We are. So
They're being slow to react today.
yeah, they're being rude to us. So that will be it for the open field. We saw a lot of robins.
Oh, look.
Oh,
Do you
wait, no,
see that
actually,
little bird
guys,
right there?
no way.
That That's a finch.
We just saw. That's a goldfinch? Oh my guys. We are not done with the action over here. Never mind. We just saw.
That was a house finch.
We just saw a house finch. Guys.
I'm gonna play this. Let me call him. He went over there.
Guys, we hear somebody. Not somebody, we hear a bird. They're calling. Oh my god, Mom! Guys, look at that bird. It's flying.
You better.
This is my sister, by the way. This is just my sister. She doesn't want to look. There she is.
Adam, look on the edge of the tree.
Okay, guys.
He's on the edge
I'm
of the
zooming
tree.
in. I'm about to zoom in. If you guys can see this.
Do you see him up there?
Okay, guys. I see him.
He's responding.
Guys. He's responding.
Okay, don't move so much, so he can maybe come down and touch the ground. I'm gonna play again. Look, boy, he's on the edge of the tree. You see him moving with the little red light?
Guys.
He's a house finch. He's looking down.
Where even is he?
Okay, look at the little
Oh, I
tiny
see.
red head. Here, hit play on the call.
Okay, guys, now my mom is recording. Goodbye, Robins. House finch, here we go.
Just play the calls. Just the calls.
That was okay. Oh my god, Mom, there's a bird behind us. Oh, wait.
Play the call.
That is a goal.
Play another one.
Oh my god, there's two birds in a flock right there. Whoa. Guys, I love nature.
Here, let me see.
Okay, guys, now I am back to recording.
Hold it here. You see on the edge of the tree?
We
He's
look
right in
at
there.
the sunrise.
He's responding.
Okay, let me zoom it in. Guys, my hands are not steady. I have the most steady hands.
Okay, let's go ahead and end it then.
Okay, guys, that will be it for the birds. I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more content, subscribe. Bye, guys.